Kebeli pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat bakong san menta ke sengi Kyllong. Shen in pelat ke sorkar Jylla ya ke scholarship jong ki Samla pulih. Dawa ke HNYM na Khubor district ban Shimkiai ki karkhana bernihan. Urlong ke jing angnot u Captain Sangma bat ba Brington yo Raj Bhavan telang ke Tura. Bat na juwai mare ke dong musa Meghalaya Games syamai ram. Bat mintangin pa syaki Khubor bakam benya. Menteri Ketenak Pulih Putih ke Sorkar Jylla, urakam Sangma, hakakat arterik mentau benai Kyllalyngkot arajar arpesau, ula pentip syaki Peit baka Sorkar pedeng kala pelat pisah baibam, dan ni ke scholarship jong ki Samla Pulih ke bakot sapui kelur arpesan lak tingka, kum ke second installment nak kebenta ki kena pulih ki bempat yok pediangi ke scholarship jong senyam arajar arpelai. Haba keren cekelak patai Khubor urakam hadin baka Sorkar Jylla kalau yok pedang ya ke Shiti na ke Sorkar pedeng bala pelat ya ke song pisah. Menteri Ketenak Pulih Putih urakam Sangma ulaong mana ke liang ke Sorkar Jylla kan persyang ban pelat wud ya ke pisah syaki Samla kata yau ban wan. Menteri ulaong baka Sorkar kan Shimkia kenang bagi Samla Pulih kan ya kenduk jeng bada kejuk kepor ula kentui ke Samla Pulih bikin pendon kambha ya ke scholarship.
Students who are waiting for last few months for their release of scholarship. Yes, the first installment has already released for about 37,000 students, and second installment was pending, but fortunately today we have received the communication from the Tribal Affairs Ministry, Government of India. Today we have received the second installment from the Government of India, Ministry of Tribal Affairs today for post-matric scholarship, and maybe expected maybe next week we will try to disperse to the students, to all my students waiting for this. So we are processing ideally, and with due process we will do the needful within next week.
How many see in view of the fact that there was no tribal candidates who was declared eligible in that unreserved category list? What do you have to say?
No, the tribal, non-tribal does not arise. It's an open category seat, if I'm not wrong, and what they mean also. Therefore, like the result is clear, and it is already declared. Like it is based on their merit, and because of the purpose, we have set up interview panel. This candidates were declared cleared based on their performance at the interview has been, because it is supreme power of the interview panel to give them marks, to give their performance, to select their on merit. Therefore, this result has been declared based on the performance at the interview, has been decided by the interview panel, and no more comments on this. You are category unreserved category, so we don't know how they performs, but it is this result have declared based on the marks secured at the interview by the panelists.
So there is absolutely no discrepancy in the recruitment process.
No, this is decided by the interview panel, and the question of all this should not arise, because it is because they set for the interview, and based on the mark obtained by the candidate, I think the result has been declared. 67,000, and 37 has already released. About and minus of 67,000 is a many one.
And how much is this second installment?
So we have received today 41 crore 25 lakhs amount as a second installment, as a center say.
And this is for which year, sir?
22-23.
That means there is no more pending.
Yeah, will be. So, all the thanks, Honorable Chief Minister, the Minister of Tribal Affairs, and including my dear students who have raised the issue, have waited patiently, and would like to request my dear students to use all this exclusive fund meaningfully, purposefully for their academic purpose. And also would like to appeal to all my dear students, be focused on the academic career, because do not get distracted. All the, yes, government will try its best to complete the process, and government is soldiering the responsibility seriously. And also I would like to request my dear students to soldier their own responsibility in carrying their own academic career, and at the end of the day, for the pride and the future of our state, because we always talk about Meghalaya state are lagging behind in producing the best personality in terms of IAS, IPS aspirant for last few years. So therefore today, this kind of statement, instead of demoralizing our students, but this kind of statements should give challenge to the brilliant students of the state. If others, students from Bihar, from Gujarat, from Assam, from Arunachal, from Punjab, if they can do, why not from Meghalaya? Why not from Northeast? So this kind of challenge should, I think, should be in every minds of the students. Also, and also like to request to all my teachers, while we give the education to our students, concept is very, very important, and therefore I think I would request as a teacher, as I was also a teacher, our students have to be briefed well with the concept of the topics and concept of the subject.
Kinongilam kehenyo terhadap National Youth Movement HNYM, hapok kejingilam Samla Donald Mukti President Khuborjylla District Unit, lembak kiwe kinong kitkam, haga kat artrik Kyllalyngkot, Kyllalyngkot de Khuborkhasi, show Additional Deputy Commissioner Khuborjylla District Uba MP Tongper, bandawan na Meghalaya State Pollution Board pakan chimkia halor kejing penmi jaklia kaba palat board hakathan bernihan, kabala ban kata eka kwat kakya kipat nyong shong shnong jong kati kathan, da kejing don bun ba ki karkhana kani kathan. Kini kedor khas ke HNYM Khubor District Khuborjylla kalong hadin ke jingmi ke kaipot halor ke jing penmi jaklia ke bapalat pot neki karkhana ke than bernihat. Ubat Donald Mukti ula penpawi ke jing ngaukia ke bajur halor ke jing jaklia ke bajur ha ke than bernihat.
Ketuka Khubor kepala penmi ta nong sanima angi sungsi bantip ba ka bernihat kalong kawai na kisor ke penmi buntam ya kal air ke bajak ya hapok kari India di borok kawai nidang perkat ba kiri kiba ki state kiba he kum ka Maharashtra atau ke Punjab kinwan syakmat hakabai dei ba kajing penmi ya kan kal air ke bajak ya tehenrei ngisungsi pada bantip ba hang ni hapok ribhoi jongi hapok kastit ke barit jongi Meghalaya nilayo ya ke record kaba klantam hakajing penmi ya kal air jakya ngisung tu ba kibru ki basa ang tu kan kimat ya ka jing sitom mo bandring mensim kal air ka baki kiring kamlong shu ka bakhod nama balai lembakan ki tedam ki bawan na po ki factory beper kapenlong ya kal air ka bakiring mensim banjabo te kane ki jing jabo jong kala bamra bun ki jingpang ya ki brio ya ki paradok para salam ki basa hang tu bat kham tam ni le ya ki long kemi ki ba armet nang tai ki khenna rit kila banyo bun ki jingpang na katukal air ka baki kiring mensem ngisung tu baka jingbun ki factory hapo bernihat kalong haduk ata nama balai ka de baka jingbun ki factory ki ba penmi ya kanikal air jakya te hadin bangilawan kendu mentan ya i additional DC nakaliang ka jong i ila priang ya ka complain ya ka letter complain ka jongi ila ong ba in forward ya ketika complain ya ketika letter complain ke jongi sya ka state pollution control board tina kaliang ka jongi ni kerman bakane ka complain ka jongi ka letter ka bangilawan bu ha po ha additional DC kanamlong ka ba ja kendong ne kanamlong ka ba kaban putno tang mata ka kerman ba wat ka state pollution control board ro kan simkia ba de bakan check ki factory ki beran hangtai la kilong ki ba illegal ne legal ru ni kwa ban baka state pollution control board kan check nama let's say what ki illegal factory ru yo kimiat pada kat kum ka procedure ka ba kidai ban ya tena kaliang ka jongi ngisngu ban banjur sa sisin ka state pollution contribute kadai ban sim khia mardor khnang ba ki parado bersam ni biasa angtei kinyo ya kaliar ka bakhoj ban ring man sim lese lada ngilap hadin hadin kadai ka complain jungi ngidang yu ba ka state pollution control board kam sim khia ya kane tina kaliang ka jungi ka sengi haban sim da koi pat kalenti hakabai dei bat ka jingpan mi ya kaliar
Khaddu khatwai ke jing angnut bat jing tmu jong Captain Williamson e sangma bat ba Brington buhai lingdo kinong yelam barat ba ke Jylla ban pelong ye ketura ke jakasa telang jong ulat ke Jylla kala urlong minta kesngi haba ulat badon buram pagu chohan ula pli ling ba ke hau ye keni ke jing sa telang ha ke khatar terik Kyllalyngkot Hatura kini kesengi pli ladon ki kenrem ke sarkar Jylla ki bekentup yu menteri rang ba ukonrat ki sangma Thomas Isangma Honorable Speaker, Kegatha Kisangma MP, Chief Secretary Bat DP Walang, Commissioner of Division Dr. Vijay Kumar D, Bat Deputy Commissioner Jagdish Chelani. Kini ke ying sa telang jong ulat ke don ha ke atat ke behe arpupra poin saupusan akar, bat lepelut arpusau poin shiklur tingka bantai yaka.
Thank you, Honorable Chief Minister, sir, and all our esteemed dignitaries on the dais for this new year of new beginnings.
And our honored guests, it is with great pleasure and immense pride that I extend a warm welcome to each one of you on this momentous occasion. The inauguration of Raj Bhavan in Tura has marked a significant milestone in our journey towards progressive development. This marks that historic and momentous occasion. This majestic Raj Bhavan stands as a testament of our commitment to the well-being of the people and the privilege that distinguished personalities of being here with us, whose presence adds grace and significance to this auspicious occasion. As we gather here in the embrace of the Meghalaya's scenic beauty, let us take a moment to reflect on the values that Raj Bhavan encapsulates. And it's not just a structure, but it symbolizes the strength of our collective aspirations. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to those who have contributed to the realization of this architectural marvel and the dedication and hard work that has transformed this dream into a reality. To our distinguished guests, your presence here underscores the significance of this occasion.
First of all, I would like to greet each one of you and our Honorable Governor, Sri Pagu Chauhanji, a very happy new year, and everyone present here also a very happy new year. It fills me with great joy and pride as we gather here to celebrate the inauguration of our state's second governor's house here in West Garo Hills, Tura. This momentous occasion marks a significant milestone in the development and growth of our beautiful Garo Hills region. Tura, nestled in a picturesque landscapes of West Garo Hills, growth and development in this region. The Governor's House holds immense importance as it serves as a symbol of governance and is the seat of authority. It is here that the Governor represents the state, welcomes dignitaries, conducts official meetings, and represents the aspirations and interests of the people. This house is not just a mere structure, but an embodiment of our values, traditions, and aspirations. It represents the collective dreams of the people of Meghalaya, particularly from the Garo Hills region, who envision a prosperous and inclusive society. The inauguration today is a celebration of our ability to achieve great feats when we work towards a common goal. Apart from the official duties it fulfills, I believe that this Governor's House will also contribute to the growth of tourism in this region. Visitors from far and wide will witness the grandeur and remarkable architecture of this building, adding another jewel to the crown of Tura's tourism industry. At this moment, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Conrad K. Sangma, for ensuring the completion of this long-neglected complex. I also extend my sincere gratitude to the government officials, administrators, architects, the engineers, and all the individuals, including the contractors, involved in bringing this vision to life.
Haka step jongga khat artrik Kyllalyngkot kadong Musa 5th Meghalaya Games 2024 kalawan point na jiwai Shamairang East and West Khasi Hills District. Haka balawan ban IT ru Torch Ambassador ba Bening Star Lingkoi show EDC ke East and West Khasi Hills District ba M Ding Do ubala shimti ya kadong Musa ban IT pat shaki athletes jongga ni ke district. Ki Samla ki bani shimenta kini ke Lumpung ke Bahe jongga Jylla na kini ke district kila ra kini ke dong Musa lingba ke Yau Mairang syaduk ke office u Deputy Commissioner jongga East and West Khasi Hills District ke Badran Hamau Sawa. Lapun kut no kini ke jingyat pat ba bin inam ya ke dong Musa Palau DC office. Hadin kata uba Bening Star Lingkoi ula IT ha uba met ba Lingdo u MLA. Uba med bau la ai ke jingkren kit pok ya barok ki Samla na ke district ki bani shimenta ki Lumpung jing ya kop beper ha ke Meghalaya Games hatura. Ula pen pau ke jingkremen bas camp ki Samla na ke district kin wan ra shirenjup kita ke maksiar rupa bar renong natura. Ula kentui ki Samla na East and West ban Seibor ba ban poi sya ka thong jingjop jong kanam tang ya ladi Henry ke district barok away. Kedong Musa Meghalaya Games haka khat artrik Kyllalyngkot kalayuk jat tiap hasor nongston haka bau Deputy Commissioner uba Garrett LSN Dykes ula pediang yaka na uba Bening Star Lingkoi Torch Ambassador hak redop jong School Anderson High Secondary School Upper New Nongston. Habau DC ula pediang buram yaka ula IT kini kedong Musa syaki athletes jong ke West Khasi Hills bekini shimenta ban ra bat yat pai ba terter hasor nongston ban pen i pai ba kini ke thlit ding jong ke Meghalaya Games keleng kidong ke sor nongston. Lapun kut ketika jinyat pai ba HNRL petrol pump New Nongston. UDC ula shimti biang ya kedong Musa bat IT pat sya Dodge Ambassador ba unra ya ketika kedong Musa ban yat ban penpoi sa sya William Nagar East Garo Hills District bat hadin kata syaduk Tura West Garo Hills ke Jaka ban penlong ya ke 5th Meghalaya Games arjar arpusa.
Tôi cầm đo trong một cái games ada sao kena kepot pat gila dap tempat ni kena ke relay ke Dodge lalu nanti napo Anderson School lalu ke poi hangal petrol pom kemudian napo kena ke tong Nongston sudah dap pedat kena kamar ni kepot dan IT biang ya kena ketemu sa IT Dodge Ambassador jong spear.
Bat dak itu ki Khubor ngilapoi syekabakut tak haduk bengindesiam biang kuble shipot.